that video. Show me that fucking video. Oh no. Put it on your Snapchat.
Right, okay. What stops off at Brighton? Yeah, I know that, but where does Brighton? Because Brighton is the same direction as Southampton. What are the stops
No,
at
it's
Brighton?
not. It's the opposite.
No, it's not. You fucking. Oh shit, it is. Oh, never mind. You're going the complete wrong direction. I can't help you, mate.
You're about an hour and a half away.
Right. You need to get off at the nearest stop.
But then there aren't any return trains either.
Shut up, Nathan.
I'm sorry, Vinny. I can't keep saying it.
Right.
Honestly,
Right. Okay. Okay. You're going the complete wrong fucking direction, but it's okay. So your taxi fare's gonna be. Sorry? Yeah, you can do that, just don't get eaten by like a whale, and I'm talking of the women kind as well. Alright. Are you with Gavin and Aidan then? Yeah, well, I would have waited, but there was a train I needed to catch. That's why I ran. Right, okay. Your plan of action should be get off at the nearest stop and
get a
you're gonna have to
taxi.
spend even more money on a taxi. Have you got money on you?
Unless there's another train afterwards from there,
I
but
highly doubt there's gonna be
there's
a
probably
train.
not gonna be one.
No, this will be the last one.
Well,
kinda screwed.
You're a bit fucking twaddled there, aren't you?
You could swim.
Alright. Are you sure you... How did you get to Portsmouth from Fratton?
The Fratton's in Portsmouth.
No shit, they're different train stations.
No, you got Portsmouth and Southsea, and then you got Fratton.
Yes.
So is he in Portsmouth or Southsea?
Well, he just said Portsmouth. Which train station in fucking Portsmouth are you at? Okay, he's at Fratton. Alright, good.
Alright, good. Alright, it's gonna be. Oh shit, man.
How are you gonna get back?
Oh, listen, that was fucking funny.
Are you okay?
I don't think Nathan is.
Yeah. Are you gonna get a taxi then? How the hell are you gonna get to Fareham? This was the last train.
Oh, guys, so it's like.
We've just got off the train. What's plan of action then?
Well, we can't really do much, can we?
You had a plan. What's happened with that?
Yeah, well, what's the point of laughing at it?
I'm not laughing. I'm asking you.
No, Nathan.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry, but lads, it's Nathan's autistic. He can't help it. But in other news,
Very true.
what's happening?
Well, we're going to walk from Fareham, don't we?
Is there another train to Fareham?
To Fareham, yes.
Okay, it's just I don't know why. So you're gonna get a train to Fareham, and then you're gonna walk from Fareham to Swanwick to get your bike.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can Tim lift?
Continue.
You should have ran. I said that's why we ran.
Yeah, sure you did.
Well, that's why I got the train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why was Aidan the only decent one to it?
Because I don't know. Well, either he can be asked.
Wanted to be with us. and you
Either
didn't
he
run.
can be asked to run, or he didn't want to get a train.
How far behind were you? Because we got the train.
We got here. Yeah, we got here 2 minutes late.
Oh, because we got on the train and then it was there for another minute and then it left.
Yeah, it was there for quite a while, so we're hoping you were gonna get there, but you didn't. There was literally fuck all we could have done.
But,
We did tell the guy that there were people that you were.
Fuck. A taxi's expensive from Fareham to Swanwick.
Tad.
I don't know.
There'll be like 15 quid from here to there.
What better than 30 quid.
What time's the train to thingy? To Fair
Fair.
enough. Yeah, what time is it?
They're like 20 minutes.
Oh,
Alright.
shit.
I'll give you a ring a ding ding in 20 minutes and see.
Never say that.
Yeah, don't say that again.
Ring a ding.
What?
That's almost as bad as XD Bill Dumb. I do feel sorry for Gavin. Fucking put it away,
No,
you
stop it.
cunt.
Like, it's just so.
That could be the start of a porno, couldn't it?
I just put it.
Why would that be the start? But yeah, sure.
No, because then it'll be like the guy arguing, and I'll be like, oh, I don't want to. Fuck off.
You just cut to the scene for how
Oscar telling you about
Fuck off. Put it away.
No.
You're not a fucking vlogger.
This
Oh,
is
wake
funny.
up in 8
You'd be a
hours.
fucking YouTuber.
I'll watch.
Oh, well, Rich.
Oh,
Oh, Rich.
I'll
We're gonna
finish that
start
night,
London.
don't worry, I'll be down there tomorrow.
Wait, Jack.
Lamau.
XD
Oh,
love
yeah.
now.
Wait, where's
Head
Vinny's
back
pen?
slowly.
And apparently there's a train to Fareham in 25 minutes.